Hello fans, welcome back to RC Gut and a new review. This time TEMU sent me this car. It's the Beast Pro. Yeah, you can get it on with the Brushless engine too. It's named Beast Max. I have Beast Pro with the brushed engine, 2-cell sleeper battery. I think speed is okay for me. It's a drifting car with the 4-wheel drive, so that's perfect. It's 1:16 size. This is a drifting car. I've never tried it before, only buggies and crawlers, so this is the first time to me to try. It comes with 2-cell sleeper battery, so it's enough power, I think. Yeah. And if you want to buy this or other things from TEMU, you can click on the link below, or use this search code to get a $100 coupon bundle for free. And I think there is 40% gift on some articles. Yeah, and use the code below and download the app, please, to get this bundle pack. So first do that. Yeah, and of course with TEMU you have always free shipping. Yeah, and it's 14 days delivery guarantee, so if you receive your items later, you will get $5 credit on your account. And now we're gonna open the box and look at the car and take a quick view before we go outdoor and try it. And remember, you can get lots of things from TEMU. This t-shirt, of course, it's from TEMU. It's 100% cotton and it fits perfectly on me. Double XL, yeah, on my Viking body. So, thank you TEMU for sending me this car. I'm really looking forward to try it. So please hurry on. Visit the website, download the app, buy this car now. It's worth it. Yeah, I know. It's like this in the box. We have wheels, slicks, yeah, and you have something a tool to change the wheels, and you have this USB charger. I always use my computer charger for charging batteries. Yeah, and the manual. Yeah. Manual for a controller. Controller is like this, quite small. Yeah. It's an easy controller. Foam wheel, steering wheel, you have trim buttons, and you have on-off switch, reverse switch, speed switch, low, medium, high, and channel switch. I think it's maybe for the lights. Yeah, and of course you need AA batteries. You have to unscrew this screw. Yeah, so it's quite simple controller, but it's okay. Now the car, have to take off these strips. Take off the clips. And you can see there's LED lights in the front, headlights. Yeah. There are lots of wires inside. You can unplug them from this 2-in-1 ESC and receiver. Yeah. Here you have the 2-cell LiPo battery. This brushed engine. Yeah. And you have a 3-wired servo. So if this if you destroy the servo, you can replace it with another servo with the perfect size, so it fits down here. Yeah, so that's quite good. I think you can replace the suspension also. I think it's basically like other cars, but this one have more lights, wires, and the back lights too. Yeah. Now I think it's aluminium there, and aluminium. I think the suspension is, I think it's okay, but maybe it is soft. I don't think so. I don't know. And you have this slicks tire coming in the box. Yeah. I think they are good for drifting. So I think there's nothing more to say. We can charge the battery, put some batteries in the controller, turn on and look at the lights. Yeah. So turn on the transmitter, connect the car, and the power switch on off is there, a little red button. So let's turn on. Look at this. If I press the channel 3 button, you can see the headlight shifting from this to this to this. Turn off. And the backlights, it's like when you turn the car, the right light will blink, and the left here. And the turning seems okay. Have to install the mirrors on each side, and you can remove the plastic film. Protects chassis. Yeah, I'll just take it off. So you have to use a tool, knife or something, to cut off the plastic around this area. But look at this chassis now. So glossy, so nice. Really like it. I think we are now ready to try it. Let's go outdoor and try it. Yeah?
Yeah!
Beast Pro.
Oh!
TEMU drift car.
Night Rider.
I have not installed the slicks tire, but yeah. We can test it.
Test it. Ja, moro sånn. Er det moro da?
Gjør det med en gang.
Nice! Nice!